Okay, Rewaco Rf1 battery's under the seat and it's a knobhead to get at. Obviously there's a fuse box. You have to take the tank off. Don't be worried about that. Get the seat out first. There's a few bolts here, there and up the back. It just comes out like that, and then you'll see the battery. Now I've had to carve some pieces out of the fiberglass here and here to get the battery strap out of the way. So that kind of bolts in there and there, but it won't let you get them out because you have your gear change rods. Now these have a little clip. I don't know whether you can see. Where is it? There's a little hole there. There's this clip that goes through each side. You can flick that carefully, tease that over and pull that out. Just get the clip. So that's the clip that holds it on the ball joint. Can't do this one-handed. So it's that what holds it on. So you need to get them out and just tease the gear change rods off. And then in here, whether you can see or not, put it upside down. If you feel at the back, you can feel where the gear cables there screw on, because they're threaded at this end. So you just need to crack them and wind them off. Try and leave the lock nut where it is, because that'll give you a good pointer as to where to put it back to. These were loose on this, so I'm presuming that it's had a battery before. Somebody else has had this struggle before, but they're a knobhead of a thing to get out. That's the vacuum. I've had to pull that through and get that out of the way. A few bits and bobs. To do anything on these, it's a pain in the arse. Nothing's straightforward. I did timing belt on it the other week, and that was well, let's just say it was easier in the car. So it's just an 063 battery, car battery that's in there, and yeah, just don't be afraid of it. I had to take the tank mounting bracket off here just to allow just a bit of movement in this fiberglass to get the battery out of the hole. But yeah, don't be afraid of it. Get in there, start on doing stuff. I think putting them ball joints back on is going to be a fucking knobhead, because of the clips. One of them's underneath. You've got to kind of get in down there and down there, but it's out. It's not a full strip down. Awkward but doable.